Good morning, students. So again we are back. As I promised you, I'll be coming with part 3 for circulation of heart, where I'm going to teach you how to draw internal structure of heart in a simple way. So let us start without wasting time and start drawing the internal structure of heart. So get ready with your pen, pencil, eraser and the blank paper, and keep on drawing the internal structure of heart along with me. So let us start with drawing of internal structure of heart. For that, first of all, we are just going to draw a very light outline, very light outline for the heart. So I'll just draw this, and students see that you draw this outline by pencil but very light, so that afterwards when you will have to rub it, you will be able to rub that easily. It won't give you a dark marking. After drawing the outline, have a vertical partition, say, which is going to divide the heart into two equal halves, the right and the left. The horizontal partition will be, it won't be dividing the heart into equal two halves, but the upper half is going to be little smaller than the lower half. So let us draw the, say over here, the dotted line. So if you just see the upper half and the lower half over here, the upper half are called the auricles and the lower half are called ventricles. For drawing the upper half and the lower half, I will be having a small short trick. The upper half are called auricles, and for drawing the auricle, you are going to draw an earthen pot. In Hindi you say matka. So but it has to be an inverted matka. It is this way. Clear, students? So for the auricles, we are going to draw this type of inverted earthen pot. But the main thing is, the mouth of the earthen pot should be little away from this cross section. So let me just draw for the right side over here, this way and this way, and the same way on the other side, over here, this way and over here. Now about the ventricle. So let us draw the ventricle complete over here, this way, and is going to be this. As you know, the wall of the ventricles are thicker compared to that of the auricles, and this is going to be the internal septa. So this is going to be internal septa, and these are going to be my ventricles, the right, the left and the right. Now, as we are seeing in the part 2, the general circulation, we are seeing that over here in the right auricle, the two branches of vena cava, that is superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, is collecting the blood and is emptying in the right auricle. And the same way for the left auricle, there are two branches from each lung is coming in the left auricle. So we are going to draw the superior inferior vena cava opening in the right auricle, and the pulmonary vein from the right and the left lung opening in the left auricle. So this is my right auricle. I'll write it with pen. So it's the right auricle, and this is going to be my left auricle. This is my left ventricle, and this is my right ventricle. Clear? Now in the right auricle, as I just explained you, two branches, that is the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava, they are opening over here. So this is going to be my superior vena cava, and this is going to be inferior vena cava. So now this particular line we have to rub it, students. Clear? The same way on the left auricle. Again 2 branches, one from the left lung and the another from the right lung. So 2 branches, one from here and one from here, is bringing blood to left auricle. These are the veins which are bringing the blood to the left auricle from the. So this is going to be my superior vena cava, superior vena cava, and this is going to be my inferior vena cava, inferior vena cava. Correct? This vena cava are to be double wall, but the lining is to be thinner compared to that of ventricles. So I'll just draw the double lining. The same double lining will continue for the right auricle also. So I'm just drawing the double lining over here because they are thin walled. The same way over here. So this and this way. Clear? And the same way on this side, the vessels coming bringing the blood to the left auricle are the pulmonary veins. Again the same way, thin double line for this. So you can see over here the same way here, the double lining this way, it goes this way, and over here and over here. So these are the vessels which is going to bring blood from the lungs and empty the blood to the left auricle. These are my pulmonary veins. Correct, students? Now for drawing this pulmonary artery that is going to carry blood from right ventricle to lungs, and the vessel that is carrying the oxygenated blood from left ventricle to the different part of the body, to draw that easily we are going to take help of a picture of a fish. So just like earthen pot, we are going to draw a fish, but it is going to be inverted fish, that is this way. So you can see the mouth of the fish and the tail. Correct? And again it is going to be the thin double lining, just as we had done for the auricle. So here from the right ventricle, the blood is going to be carried to the lungs, that is my pulmonary artery, and from the left ventricle the blood will be carried to the different parts of the body by the aorta. So the mouth of the fish are going to be over here and over here. These two fishes I'll be drawing in cross this way, and the other will be this way. Okay, students? So I'll just draw the fish over here. The mouth is going to be here. This. The mouth over here is going to be this, and this is going to be its tail. So right ventricle to the two lungs. So here I am drawing the pulmonary artery. The other fish mouth will be over here, which is going to carry the blood from the left ventricle to the different part of the body. So this is going to be my aorta. Clear, students? So now you will have to rub out this particular lining, this you'll have to rub it. Just like auricle, this also you are going to draw thin wall this way, the double lining you'll have to do it. This over here, then the same way here and here. The another double lining over here. So just draw the double lining and you can complete your diagram this way, and the double lining over here. Okay, so blood from the right auricle to the lungs. So this is my pulmonary pulmonary artery. And this particular part which is carrying blood from the left ventricle to the different part of the body. So this is my aorta. Okay. Now from the right ventricle the blood goes to the lungs. So here it is going to have valves which is going to direct the blood flow of the blood only towards the lungs. The opening of the right auricle to the right ventricle is guarded by a pair of valves over here, that is this opening known as tricuspid valve. So these are my tricuspid valve, and the same way for the opening of the left auricle to the left ventricle is guarded by a valve called bicuspid valve. Clear? So the blood will just see the general circulation, that is the blood comes from the vena cava, superior inferior, get emptied in the right auricle, from the right auricle to the right ventricle, from the right ventricle to the lungs by pulmonary artery, and from the two lungs the blood goes to the lungs, it gets oxygenated, and from there the blood enters the left auricle through pulmonary vein. From the left ventricle blood goes to the left, from the left auricle blood goes to the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle blood goes to the aorta, and from the aorta to different part of the body. So students, this is a small easy way to draw the internal structure of heart. Hope I am very clear, and all the double lining or the overlapping linings are to be cleaned so that your diagram looks neat and clean. So students, this is a question of 4 mark, that is section D for your students. Let us understand the working of heart in a human body by a small animated clip. Enjoy the clip. Hope you all have understood how to draw the internal structure of heart in a very simple way. And students, this particular question is a very important question from board exam point of view, which comes always for section D 4 mark question. We are supposed to draw the internal structure of heart along with the explanation of the internal structure of heart with the blood flow. Hope you all have liked this video, and I'll be still giving you very small and easy tips for how to draw the biology diagrams in a very simple way. Students, if you have liked my video, then please like, subscribe, and even give your important views, which will be helping me to make my videos a better quality and motivate me to give you such important small videos explaining the concept in a very clear and easy way. We'll meet for the next concept. Till then, goodbye students. Vande Mataram.